Again, museums, country houses, old houses, designers all through the ages, right from year dot, have been looking not only at everything around them for inspiration, but also other artists for inspiration. Whether it's the woodwork and inlays in a piece of furniture. You know, in this design, I see huge elements that have potential for being used later on. I mean, if I just use as an example here, you know, even just looking at this center panel here, and this is obviously normally you know, and we know within there really we've got a box. And you've got to remember, this is more than anything, it's to come up with ideas. Now that is incredibly rough. At the same time, I can tell you now, just by sharpening this up post design, you can start to use that as a basis for something that can be translated at some point into anything from a center chest panel that could be that way, it could be a design going down the chest that way, it could be on a horse's piece of tack, a center plate running down it, metalwork in the middle, or overlaying pieces of leather that have been coloured. You know, these days, if you can stream something to your TV from your phone, which most people can, get a piece of tracing paper, do this. It's really useful, and it's something that, you know, I'll file that. I might cut it out, I might just file it, but I'm always looking for ideas within other pieces of art that can actually maybe start at it can be a starting point for me.